Hey, today I'm making guacamole with bacon and goat cheese. Stick around. If you plan to make your guacamole right away, then what you want to do is get avocados that are soft to the touch. Not mushy, but just soft to the touch, right? Let's go buy some avocados. Before you buy your avocados, decide when you plan to make your guacamole. If you're making it right away, then you should buy a small quantity. Otherwise, buy them in bulk and then store them in the refrigerator. If your avocados are ripe already, place them in a bowl with an airtight lid. Then store them in the refrigerator until you're ready to use them. Hey, if you like this video, like and subscribe. And stick around to the end. I've got a bonus tip for you. Now add your chopped bacon, minced garlic, a few pinches of salt, and a few shakes of black pepper. Then stir it all up, and you're ready to go. That's good. To prevent your guacamole from turning brown, squeeze a generous amount of lime juice on top. Then cover the surface with plastic wrap. Seal the container with an airtight lid and store in the refrigerator.